Select the floor. Then go to Divide Boundary. Then click on Divide Part. Then on Edit Sketch. Now divide floor. Click on Tick. Now select the area where you have to apply the texture. Uncheck the Material by Origin option. Then go to Properties, scroll down, then click on Material. You can select material from here, and for more material create a new material, then go to Asset Browser. Then Appearance Library. Select the material you want. Rename the new material you have created, Early. Then click on this too. Then material will shift in place of new material. Now, if you want to change the texture size, click on Edit. Then Size. Then click on Apply, then OK. Boom, done. Thank you for watching.